This is NocoDB. It looks like Airtable, but it's not. It's an open source tool that turns your existing SQL database into an Airtable-style spreadsheet without the SACS tax of fees. No per seat pricing, no row limits, no vendor lock-in, it's fully self-hostable, and you own all the data. If you've ever hit a pricing wall right when your project started working, this might be the exit for that. We have videos coming out all the time. Be sure to subscribe. Now, at first glance, NocoDB looks just like another no-code tool, but that's the illusion. In reality, it's a no-code, low-code layer that sits on top of your existing database. Postgres, MySQL, SQLite, even MS SQL, you point NocoDB at your database and instantly your tables turn into spreadsheets, relations just work, and you get an Airtable-like UI. Same experience, but completely different ownership model. It launched in 2021, it's fully self-hostable, blown up on GitHub with 60K stars, and a few hundred contributors. It's basically Airtable, except your data stays yours, and there are no monthly bills. You get spreadsheet-style CRUD operations, grid, gallery, Kanban views, role-based access control, webhooks and automation, auto-generated REST APIs and SDKs, and here's where devs lean in. Your database now becomes this UI, this API, and an admin panel without needing to write front-end code. Now, before we demo it, let's look at it real quick. First is the setup, which isn't actually that complicated. I literally spun up Docker and I launched it in a single command. That's it. No YAML stuff, no cloud config, none of that. That's gone. Let me show you how fast this actually is. Now, since Docker is already running, I just have to open localhost. I'm going to connect a local SQLite database since we're just going to demo this out, so Python's great. I can import a CSV. Then we can create a view and add a Kanban board. Done, right? That's the spin up right here. That's a working CRM. Filters, relations, permissions built in under 1 minute. Now, let's be honest here. This is great, but with open source like this, there are some trade-offs. The upsides are big. It's 100% free when self-hosted, no row limits, no per seat pricing, and you fully own the data. It's faster than Airtable at scale, and it uses real databases, not proprietary storage. But here's the reality. There's downfalls. You need a little Docker knowledge. That's easy enough. The UI isn't as polished as Airtable and others. The cloud version also has caps, and the AGPL license means no shady closed source reselling. Now, this is the important part. Teams are cutting tens of thousands of dollars a year, so big savings, by replacing Airtable, Retool, and custom internal tools with one NocoDB instance. That's huge for savings and flexibility. So, there are drawbacks, right? It's open source. It's not that great in certain areas. Others it excels, but this is why you should care, because this solves a very real problem. NocoDB is perfect for these internal admin panels, custom CRMs, MVP backends, side projects that you just need to ship fast. And it pairs insanely well with tools like Supabase, N8N, Hasura, existing Postgres stacks, and over 23,000 companies, or I guess organizations, are already using this. It keeps improving. Dashboards, AI queries, and automations are landing constantly because of the community growth. This is about data sovereignty. No lock-in, no rug pulls, no surprise invoices. If you like saving or open source projects, this might be your kind of tool. So yeah, NocoDB is open source freedom for your data workflow. At least I'm liking it right now. I don't like those monthly bills. If you're tired of SaaS limits and you want your database to actually work for you, spin it up, give it a shot, play around. I love open source projects, and this one here is especially useful. We'll see you in another video.